Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about Variable Length Subnet Masks, or VLSM. Each router interface can have its own subnet mask. And this is important because not every network will require the same amount of hosts. So for example, if you have, say, the 26 network, there are 62 hosts in each of the networks. It's highly likely that each network will have to have that many hosts. For example, a router connected to another router needs a network for these to communicate. So you can spend 62 hosts on a network that only really needs 2, and it's really a huge waste of IP addresses. And if you had, on the 26 network, you're going to have 4 subnets of 62 hosts. So it's unlikely that you're going to need 64 hosts. For example, if you took a switch and created 4 VLANs, one for servers, most likely you're not going to have 62 servers and the exact amount of hosts. So we're going to use this variable length subnet mask by giving each router interface its own subnet mask. And so here's kind of a picture that kind of shows the prefixes of the subnet masks in the different networks. If you don't have this, I recommend whatever IP class your company has, just to go through and make sure you have these, just so you don't have to go back through them. So as you can see, the 26 network is going to have 62 hosts. The block size is going to be 64, so you'll have 0, the 64, the 128, let's say the 192, so you have the 0, the 64, 128, and 192. Alright, so from looking at the chart, as you can see, there's a /30, and so that's only going to need 2 hosts. So when you're connecting 2 routers, you can use the -30 to save those hosts. And then if you say you need a network with, say, 25 hosts, you could use the /27. Again, you'll likely have more, that's supposed to be PCs and servers. So if you set up a VLAN for servers, it's probably going to have less hosts than a VLAN of PCs. And so, again, each router interface can have its own IP address subnet mask. And so it's good so you can actually line up one network. And so if you go on the 192.168.1.0, you can divide it into more than just 4. You can divide it into, some of it's going to be 30, some of them it's going to be /27. So that concludes our video of variable length subnet masks.